All right, coming out the garage. Here we are, day 8. This is day 8? Yeah, day 8. And we got the contractors here. Waiting on the trash bin. Is coming in with the siding and everything on the sides. So they're tearing everything up here. Walls are bare out. So I'm going to go get some spray, glue, and we're going to put some aluminum foil here to protect against the sun rays. Protect the side walls. This is from the spare bathroom. That's the tub. This drywall, all this shit's coming out anyways because I'm going to replace, remodel the bathroom. All that's got to be replaced. The bottom beam and probably most of the way up. Look at that. That's termite shit. So all that's got to get cleaned out. So today I may be working with these guys out here. All that bottom beam has got to be replaced out. And this stuff cleaned up. So we got some work to do outside. So it might be outside day today. Who knows? So come around this way. That drywall got eaten up by the termites. So that's got to be replaced from the inside. All that bottom is going to be replaced. There's a lot of work. Holy cow. So all this is going to be tearing out. Ooh, look at that termite shit. Woo! My lord. Yeah, this one fell apart. That fell off. I don't know if the termites are still eating it or it just fell over. Yeah, so we know that's coming out. Yeah. So, yeah, definitely you need mask? Here.
No, I have some, but I don't want to go with it.
I got the blue ones right there.
Okay.
Yeah, wear the mask. Alright, so we're making our way around. And we got another guy over here. Working on this side. Tearing all the siding. So, he took it, okay. Cutting out all the wires and cables. Starting fresh. Everything's starting fresh. So, okay. Day 8. Casa De Malouff. Remodel. Should I call this a remodel or a rebuild? Yeah, let's name it a rebuild. Rebuilding the whole damn house. So anyways, alright, as they say on YouTube, I guess like, subscribe, friend, like, send, whatever. All that kind of crap. I don't care. But anyways, we're here to have fun. So, once the truck gets here, we'll offload the truck with the sidings and then load the trash. And we're moving forward. Okay. Day 8. All right, we're here. My aluminum foil house. That's how you wrap it. Yep, we're gonna no longer bake in an oven. Reflector. So this part is not done because this is the bathroom and it's gonna be completely remodeled on the inside. So the backboard here, the drywall's gonna be replaced with the waterproof backer. And then we're gonna put the foil on back of that to protect the outside wall from the sun rays. That's what that's for. Look it up. I looked it up. They said, yes, it works. So the tub is going to come out. It's going to be a shower. So all that's going to be done, replaced on the inside later on. This is all done here. Look, we got rid of the trash. We got rid of all the trash. Look at that. Hey, hey. Okay, no aluminum foil on this side because the roof protects the walls here. That's going to come out. But when we get to this part, I'll put aluminum foil back here. Protect this side. And then on the other side over there. So more wrapping for aluminum foil. Not done yet. But right now, I'm going to get my security cameras locations set up. So that's it for now. Yeah, I don't like that, man. Ooh. Ooh, it's going to cost me $1.5 million if you replace this house. Okay, 100,000. Oh, that's nasty. Ugh. Ugh. Are you guys as I am? Ugh. It's alright. Hopefully the will be a later. Okay, so let me mark my cameras and go from there.
Okay, this concludes day number 8. I hope you enjoyed it. Got a lot of work done today. Got a lot of stuff cleaned up. I'm full of popcorn sealing all over my arms because I didn't wear long sleeves today. So day 8, progress. The roofers are here, or the siding guys, who got a lot of work done. So we'll flip it over and show you what we're doing over here. They're finishing up the last touches of the siding. Almost done with the siding. So we're almost done there. I put my aluminum foil, so I got to buy a spotlight for there. We'll put up my security camera right there. Got black wires for my security camera, going to go over there. So I'm already outlining my cameras. So inside, the work that was done inside, just pretty much cleaned up the dirt. I could re-scrape the ceiling, I guess, a little bit better, but I'll get the sander and just clean that up. Nothing was done with the bathrooms today, or the closet, but instead I did other work. So show you the other room. So I scraped all the ceiling for the office. You see it's all over the floor. I'm gonna let it dry. Tomorrow I'll sweep it up. It's still a little damp, so I'm not gonna sweep it up now. Tomorrow I'll take down the ceiling, take down all that stuff. 1,000 nails in the walls, I'll take all that down. Get that done tomorrow. We're gonna make a hole here in the corner for the security cameras. So that'll work. I'll probably come here in the hallway, clean up the hallway, maybe clean up the bathroom. Bathroom's gonna get redone anyways. This is the one you saw from the outside earlier video. That's going to the outside, so all that's gonna be replaced. So I may not even worry about this because I'll just tear everything out anyways. So, and then we'll make my way to the main rooms and get done with this popcorn scene. Maybe by Monday or Tuesday next week I'll have all this done. So today's Thursday. Tomorrow's the day off. I got something I have to do, so tomorrow's the day off. Day 9 will be Saturday. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. As they say, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. Just do it. Watch. And thank you for watching. Day 8, Casa De Malouff.